Hello my dear students, welcome again. In this video we are going to understand molecular farming. Dear students, so far we people have started with your transgenic plants, right? मैंने आपको पूरी मेथड समझाई थी how we are making this transgenic plants, and this transgenic plants we have made for insect resistant, pest resistant, yes or no? Yes, we have seen flavor saver tomatoes. This is for reducing your post-harvest loss and delayed fruit ripening. We have seen golden rice, which is having very nice proportion of your beta carotene, which is source of vitamin A in our body. Yes or no? Yes. We have seen disease-resistant plant. We have also seen transgenic plants, which is having herbicide resistance or herbicide tolerance. Yes or no? Yes. One more example, please write down in your notebook of banana. ये जो banana है, by using this transgenesis, we have made in such a way that ये जो banana है can be used as an edible vaccine. Edible vaccine in the sense what? जो आप खा सकते हो. Edible का मतलब you can eat. Yes or no? Yes. So this banana is edible vaccine, and this is used to prevent diarrhea in children. Am I clear? So please note down in your notebook, banana is edible vaccine to prevent diarrhea in children. Okay? Now dear students, let's start with this molecular farming. Exactly what do you understand by molecular farming? बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. किसी का जीन आपने निकाला, प्लांट्स में, एनिमल्स में डाला, प्लांट्स ने, एनिमल्स ने, inside that gene undergo transcription, translation और क्या बनाया? प्रोटीन बनाया. This protein you can isolate from milk, blood, urine, seed. Yes or no? Yes. This is what I mean by molecular farming. Am I clear? नहीं समझ में आया? Let's write and understand. If I am talking about your molecular farming, then it is nothing but production of proteins. How proteins are formed? How proteins are formed? आपको अच्छे से पता है. For this we require gene. Yes or no? Yes. So these proteins are formed, बराबर, encoded by production of proteins encoded by transgene. आ रही है बात समझ? Encoded by transgene in animals, or you can say it your plants. And the proteins which are formed are recovered. वो आप किसमें से लेते हो? Are recovered from, you can say it as your milk, okay? You can say it as your urine, blood or seed in case of your plants. Seeds in case of your plants. In short, molecular farming में हम gene of interest किस में डालते हैं? Plants में या animals में, specifically to obtain proteins. ये proteins आप isolate कहाँ से करो? If it is animal, milk, blood, urine. If it is plant, तो this protein gets accumulated in seed. तो यहाँ से आप protein recover कर सकते हो. And this is what I mean by molecular farming. ठीक है? Easy है. चलो, अब let's talk about your transgenic plants. Yes or no? Yes. Gene of interest, right? This transgene अगर आप plant के अंदर डालो तो उसको क्या करेंगे आप? Of course it is said as your transgenic plants. And if I am talking about your plants, then plants are amazing chemical factory which needs only water, nutrients, carbon dioxide and sunlight. If you are now giving plants proper gene, desirable gene, then by using this simple raw material, right? It is very cheap. जैसे कि पानी है, वो सॉइल से ले लेता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो एटमॉस्फेयर से ले लेता है, सनलाइट तो वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ही है, यस और नो? यस। मिनरल्स भी वो कहां से ले लेता है? सॉइल से ले लेता है। सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आपका जो प्लांट्स है इट इज वेरी चीप and amazing chemical factory which uses water, mineral, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare different chemicals, तो बच्चों अगर हम डिजायरेबल जीन प्लांट के अंदर इनकॉर्पोरेट कर दे, इफ यू आर इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग डिजायरेबल जीन, करेक्ट जीन जिसकी प्रोडक्ट हमको चाहिए, if you are going to incorporate this in plant, then by using this raw material, right, this plant acts as an excellent bioreactor. ये जो प्लांट है it acts as an excellent bioreactor. सिंपल सी बात है, आ रही है बात समझ? ओके, let's understand the same by taking example. चलो ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट के अंदर हम एग्जाम्पल पढ़े, दैट इज we are taking your ब्रेसिका नेपिस प्लांट. कौन सा प्लांट हम ले रहे हैं बच्चों? ब्रेसिका नेपिस प्लांट. एंड ये प्लांट के अंदर हमने क्या करा है? वी हैव इनकॉर्पोरेटेड, ये जीन है मान लीजिए, वी हैव incorporated, are you people getting my point? This is gene which codes for hirudin, okay, what is this hirudin? This hirudin act as, I mean to say it prevents blood क्लॉटिंग. ठीक है, हिरोडिन का फंक्शन क्या है? इट एक्ट एज एन एंटीकोएगुलेटर, मतलब इट प्रिवेंट्स ब्लड क्लॉटिंग, सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या किया इन दिस एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मिंग, वी हैव आइसोलेटेड, आई मीन टू से वी हैव केमिकली सिंथेसाइज्ड जीन which codes for hirudin. Hirudin क्या है? It's an anticoagulator, मतलब it prevents blood clotting. This gene we people have introduced in plant. कौन सा प्लांट बोला है मैंने? That is your, ये प्लांट है मान लीजिए, ठीक है, that is your, yes, ब्रेसिका, good, नेपस. एम आई क्लियर? ये मान लीजिए फ्लावर्स है, राइट? फ्लावर्स आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं? सीड्स. दे आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस सीड्स. एम आई क्लियर? एंड आपका ये जो प्रोटीन है, हिरुडिन इज प्रोटीन. हिरुडिन क्या है बच्चों? प्रोटीन है. दिस प्रोटीन मतलब दिस हिरुडिन gets accumulated in seeds of Brassica nepis. आ रही है बात समझ? yes or no? yes. and from this seed, ये जो सीड है इसमें से आप क्या कर सकते हो? you can isolate hirudin. and hirudin क्या है बच्चों? वो प्रोटीन है. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन एनकोडेड बाय ट्रांसजीन इन एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स. प्लांट्स में से हम प्रोटीन कहां से रिकवर करें? फ्रॉम सीड्स. एम आई क्लियर? एंड ये जो जीन है वो क्या हुआ बच्चों? दिस इज ट्रांसजीन. यस और नो? ये ट्रांसजीन को हमने किसके अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस करा है? We have introduced in your Brassica nepis. Am I clear? So any doubts in this? So this is how we have made your, you can say your transgenic plant which produces hirudin as a part of molecular farming. ठीक है? Apart from this, we can also make your transgenic plant. We can also make your transgenic plant, right, for diagnostic and therapeutic proteins. Okay, we can make for diagnostic and for obtaining therapeutic proteins. आपको पता है डायग्नोसिस का मतलब क्या है, आपको पता है, यस और नो. थेराप्यूटिक का मतलब क्या है, ये भी आप सबको पता है, यस और नो. यस. So if I am talking about your transgenic plants, these plants can be altered, right, in such a way that it produces proteins that plays a very important role in diagnosing and curing several diseases in plants in animals as well as in plants, of course. आ रही है बात समझ? नहीं समझ में आया? मैंने आपको ये बोला, हमने प्लांट्स को मॉडिफाई करा, कुछ इस तरह मॉडिफाई करा कि उसने प्रोटीन्स प्रोड्यूस किए. एंड ये जो प्रोटीन्स है, दिस प्रोटीन्स आर वेरी यूजफुल इन डायोग्नाइजिंग मतलब जैसे कि टाइफॉइड किससे होता है, साल्मोनेला टाइफी, तो दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ डायग्नोस्टिक मेथड, यस और नो. डायग्नोस्टिक मेथड के लिए वी आर हैविंग सर्टेन केमिकल्स and therapeutic in the sense we are giving tablets for curing disease in plants as well as animals. So we are making transgenic plant which produces protein which plays a very important role in diagnostics and curing diseases in plants as well as animals. If you want some example, I am writing example as your monoclonal antibodies. You people have seen this, all are proteins, right? One more is your peptide hormones. Hormones you people have understood in your class 11, last chapter. Then we are having your cytokinins, right? Then we are having your blood plasma proteins, right? All this can be obtained by creating transgenic plants. Okay, so this can be obtained from plants or their parts. जैसे कि if I am talking about tobacco, तो protein gets accumulated in leaves. If I am talking about your maize, it gets accumulated in cell endosperm. If I am talking about your sugarcane, then it is in case of your stem. ऐसे कुछ. Am I clear? So we can produce your transgenic plants, right? For obtaining such proteins, we can obtain these proteins from different parts like leaves, cell endosperm, stem, and many more. Am I clear? So this is what I have talked about your transgenic plants. अब ट्रांसजेनिक एनिमल्स एनसीईआरटी में दिया है. The transgenic animals, if I am talking about, then this is very much useful in biomedical researches. Yes or no? Yes. This transgenic plant, if I want to give some examples, then we have made transgenic plant that increases milk production, that increases growth rate of certain animals, right, which have increased quality and quantity of wool production, which produces milk, urine, or their blood is rich in protein. These are some of the application of your transgenic animals जो हमने अच्छे से पढ़े हैं. Okay, now if I am talking about advantages of your transgenic plants, तो आपको अच्छे से पता है, pest resistant, insect resistant, herbicide resistant, reduces post harvest loss, increased tolerance to abiotic stress, yes or no. So these are the advantages of genetically modified plants. At the very same time, there are disadvantages too. If I am talking about disadvantage, so if some of I want to share with you is that it may reduces resistance to genetically modified plant. I mean to say it reduces resistance towards pesticide. Chalo, say for example, if I am talking mosquitoes, then these mosquitoes are now resistant to DDT, which is right now banned. Pesticide है DDT, आपने नाम सुना होगा, which we are spraying for killing mosquitoes. But mosquitoes have developed resistance towards this pesticide. So there is concern that हमने जो ये BT cotton बनाया है और other genetically modified crop बनाए हैं, they may become resistant to pesticide. They may become resistant to pesticide. Am I clear? Then there may occur some unwanted change in non-target animals. जो non-target organism है उसमें unwanted changes आ जाते हैं. There occurs gene transfer, yes or no, from one species to another species who usually breed with each other. Apart from this, if you are talking about humans, allergic problem, disturbance of our bacteria which is present in alimentary canal, and the last disadvantage is that this genetically modified plants की cost बहुत ज्यादा होती है. ये create करने के लिए the costing is very high. So this economic point of view, if you will see, this is very costly. Am I clear? So dear students, this is what we people have understood under your transgenic plants. Under your transgenic plants, and this point is important one. आपको ये अच्छे से याद रखना है. Brassica napus hirudin. Okay, and for diagnostic therapeutic proteins, monoclonal antibodies, cytokinin, blood plasma proteins, peptide hormones, and many more you can obtain by creating transgenic plants, and you can obtain the same from their parts. Okay, so I hope you understood this video really very well. Thank you.